Okay, let's go over making YouTube thumbnails. So I want to do something with this, but I want to mess around a bit. So photos, 3D. Let's try that. See if we could have that. And then same thing here. Okay. Right? Right? Pretty nice, right? Okay, so here, let's do that. And since I am also a pro user, I could use this as well. So 3D speed runs. Here, let's do spacing. And let's do letter height. It's nice, right? Except this should probably position forward to the back, forward, to back, forward. Right? And then 3D speed runs and her. What am I gonna do with her? What will I do with her? Yep. And this color, I don't like this color. It's very bland. We could do better, so let's do closer to here. And let's make that a bit transparent. 3D speed runs, right? Let's maybe do it like this. And then that. And let's actually let's italicize speed. Runs, let's underline. Actually, let's make this dark. And let us not make this transparent anymore. Yeah. So 3D speed runs. And then maybe, just maybe, and then maybe something like this. So let's try, because I think now that I think of it, it's a bit too distracting that it's like that. And then here, let's do that. Okay. And then let's do runner. Let's do him. Actually, I don't think the remove background would work too well on that. So let's try something like this. Actually, because of lighting, again, let's try runner. And it has to be free, so free, pro, and then let me see if I could find a good sample to work with. Let's see. So 3D speed runs. And then let's click on, unclick everything. This is what I hate with being too clear. Effects, remove background. Let's see if that works. Come on. Yes. Let's see how that looks. So 3D speed runs, and you got yourself, I'm pretty sure, one of the best one of the best YouTube thumbnails I think I ever made. I think this is I think if someone's seen this as a YouTube thumbnail, it's definitely gonna grab their attention. Like, I'll be honest, if I seen this as a thumbnail for a video, it will grab my attention.